Our next honoree is also very familiar with the pulpit. I first met Rebecca Austin Odell when she was in the lay pastor program learning how to preach, which she did very well. I figured she had already done everything that a human could do on the pew side of the pulpit. There was just one thing to learn other than how to run the cemetery, which she also does. She's done everything a church person can do: teach, recruit teachers, cook, serve, PW, child care, manage the prayer chain, sing in the choir, and oversee Operation Christmas Child with her husband. People in the community know Rebecca. They see her out there feeding the hungry and helping neighbors. She's active in Presbyterian Disaster Assistance and Children's Hope Alliance. Rebecca went on mission trips to Haiti and New Orleans. I'm sure that her minister, Catherine Mooney, knows that people don't know what a minister does, all the things we do during the week other than the sermon. But it must be humbling for her to know that Rebecca Odell can do 1,000 things during the week and still get up on Sunday and preach a really good sermon. Makes me tired. It's hard to find a more amazing Presbyterian than Rebecca Austin Odell. Praised, honored, and appreciated by Unity Presbyterian in Newton Grove.